Hey everybody. Okay, so this is going to be a backwards video. First, I'm going to show you how to join our group, our class group, or at least to find it so that you can join it. And then I'm going to show you how to open up a Flickr account. So this will be a little bit backwards. So here I'm on the Flickr's webpage, the home page right here, and I have some options here. Hopefully you can see my cursor on the video, but here's Flickr home, here's sign up, here's explore. Here's search billions of photos and then sign in. And I'm going to click on explore right here because I'm going to show you how to find our class group. Remember, as we discussed in class, the Flickr class group is the medium that we use in class for group critiques. It's just the most effective way for us to critique each other's work. And so it's really imperative that you join the group and that you upload the images that you intend to have critiqued by the class each week. So I'm going to click here, explore. I'm going to search for our class group, which is Art 141 Fall 2014. And I don't want to search for everybody's photos or everybody's uploads. I want more search types. So I want to search for groups right there. And then I'm going to, then it's searching, and there we are. So that's it right there. So I can click on this right here and get there, or I could just expedite the whole process and right here click join. You would click join, and to join you'll have to sign in, which takes me to where we sign in. To sign in to Flickr, you have to have a Yahoo account. There's no other way to do it, and I apologize for this inconvenience. But Flickr is really just the easiest way for us to share our images in class because we don't have computers for everybody. The only way to do it is with the Yahoo account. Now, if you don't already have a Yahoo account, you'll have to create one, and it's imperative that you remember this email address that you create the Yahoo account with. You're going to create a Yahoo email address from scratch. Just create one and create a password and write it down and save it someplace where you won't lose it because your grade depends on it. You cannot lose this information. Every term I have students that are like, I can't remember my email address or I forgot my password. That's not okay. You're an adult. Write these things down and keep them. Don't lose these things. You need it. So I've already made my email address for Yahoo. It's michelle.marusek@yahoo.com because that is my name, and I just thought I'd keep it simple. I have a very simple password that I won't forget either, and I'm going to sign in slowly. And I've joined. I've already joined this group because I happen to be the administrator. Next, now that we're all signed in to Yahoo or to Flickr, I'm going to show you how to upload images and how to create an album and why you will be doing that, and then how to add images to our class group. So to upload images, I can go to my photo stream and upload over here. So see, I'm up at these tabs here in the charcoal tabs. I can go to my photo stream under you, or I can just click upload. I'm just going to click upload. I'm going to choose photos directly from my computer. You could drag and drop if you already have the folder open that you intend to upload, but I'm just going to choose photos from my computer. I have my images pretty organized on my computer, so I keep them in my pictures file right there. And then in my pictures file, I have folders based on each year. I start a new folder every year, and then I organize my images on upload date. Whatever date I uploaded them is the date that they show up in there. Here's a nice one. Let's go here. 2014. January the 2nd. And then I have some nice vacation images with my family and I. Let's just pick some arbitrarily here and upload them, shall we? There's a nice one. And then I can hold down the Shift key to select multiple photos. Or actually, let's hold down Control, because if I hold down Shift, everything between that image and the next image that I click will be selected, but that is not what I want. I'm going to hold down Control. I'm going to unclick on these. I'm going to hold down Control and just select individual photos that I think are nice. Like, that's a pretty nice one. Here's a nice one. And I'm just going to upload these 3 photos right now. So I'll say Open. I'm going to pause this while Flickr thinks about it for a while. Okay, now here we're still on the preview screen. I haven't actually uploaded them. I'm just previewing them. And what I can do here to make sure they're in focus and they're actually the images that I intended to share on Flickr with my class is I'm going to enlarge them and make sure they're actually in focus in the correct image. Yep, that looks good. So I enlarge them by clicking on this little magnifying glass icon that pops up. Yep, that looks good. And I get a larger view so I can actually check the focus and make sure it's a good image. Yep, that looks good. So I'm going to say yes, upload all 3 images. And make them public by all means, or else nobody will be able to see them. All right, and then once they're uploaded, they automatically show up in my photo stream. Flickr automatically takes me to my photo stream. These are all the images that I've uploaded to Flickr ever. Well, to this particular account. Okay, so that's great. So now I've got my images on my photo stream. But this is just a bunch of nonsense. Your professor doesn't want to look at hundreds and hundreds of images and try to figure out what you're actually turning in for your homework. No! Your professor wants you to create albums. So I'm going to show you how to make an album. To do that, you'll hover your cursor, your mouse's cursor, here over You, and then a drop-down menu will appear. You'll click on Organize, and that will take you to an organization page. And then up here, in the tabs up here, you'll see some options: your photo stream, batch organize, albums, and collections. That's what we want. I already have some albums here, that I've done as demos for other classes, a couple assignment 1s apparently and assignment 2s. So let's go with, we'll call this one arbitrarily assignment 3. I want to create a new album. So I'm going to go over here. It says create a new, and I'm going to say album. I'm going to title it assignment 3. You'll be titling your album whatever assignment number we're on. That is not how you spell assignment. Assignment 3. And then I'm simply going to just drag the images in here that I want to be in the album. Okay, and then I'm going to say save. That's it. Okay, so now we've made an album. And that means when we go to your photo stream, which can take a second when the internet is pretty slow, all the images are still here right in your photo stream, all over the place, completely disorganized. Your professor has no idea what you're trying to turn in for homework, except for when we click on albums. Then we have your albums. Assignment number 3, assignment number 1, some portraits you did, assignment number 2. Oh, look, that's great. It's all organized. Wonderful. Now we have the problem of sharing with the group. Now remember, at the beginning of this video, I showed you how to search for the group. Again, you can just go up here. It's not going to show up this time because I've already joined the group and I'm the administrator, but I'm going to show you anyways. I can go up here and I can type Art 141 Fall 2014, and I'm going to search not everybody's uploads, not my photo stream, not more search types. I'm going to search groups, and it won't show it to me now because I'm the administrator, so it's like duh. But if you do that and you haven't joined yet, it will show up. Anyways, we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how, back to organize from in the You tab here, organize, and I'm going to show you how to share an image with the group. You can actually share images with the group right on upload, but you'll figure that out once you get familiar with Flickr. I'm just going to show it to you here. So now we're in the organize page. From the top tabs, click groups. Click the group, or you don't actually have to click on anything. All the groups that you're a member of will show up, and you just have to drag these images into whatever you want to share them with. Just like that. You can drag multiple images at once, but I'm just going one at a time to make it real obvious. Okay, and then I can go to that group page and see that my images have showed up. That didn't work. Go to the group page and see that my images have showed up. They have. Good. Everything that I've shared has shown up so far. Perfect. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions about how to join Flickr, or how to create albums or upload or join the group, please email them to me. That is probably your best option, or ask me in class. Thank you.